Okay, hi, assalamualaikum everyone. So today we are going to our virtual classroom. Okay, now seeing that we will see each other every day, so I thought we'll make it interesting. So today I am turning into a cartoon. Okay, so that's me waving at you. Okay, so welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn something mm, different. Okay, not different, something that we did usually, but something that we have not focused on before. Okay, let's see. All right, so today is Wednesday, post November 2020. So you have to imagine that this is the classroom that I've built in my house. Okay, so we are going to learn idioms today. Okay, so that's me sitting on the sofa. So idioms, what are idioms? Idioms are words to describe something. Okay, but it is not its literal meaning. Okay, maksudnya dia bukan when it says something, bukan itu maksud dia yang betul-betul. It has other meaning. So it's hard for you to understand, but the only way you can understand idiom is by reading and also memorizing the idioms and the meaning. Okay, let's look. Alright, these are the popular idioms. We see this a few times already this year and maybe last year or maybe the years before. So the first one is when pigs fly. Okay, it means that something that will never happen. Okay, you see, idioms are the words, the phrases or the sentences that show something else. Okay, now it can also be something not literal. It means let the cat out of the bag. It means reveal a secret. Okay, it does not actually mean the cat, but it means to reveal a secret. Okay. I know we see this phrase a lot of time, let the cat out of the bag. Okay, so I hope you remember what it means. Okay, let's look at the example sentences. Number one, Julia is a terrible cook. She can win the competition when pigs fly. Okay, so maksud dia apa? Maksud dia Julia ni sangat tak pandai masak. Okay, so she can win the competition when pigs fly. Maksudnya she will never win the competition. Maksudnya dia tak akan menang competition tu. Competition is pertandingan. Okay, so it shows us something that will never happen. Okay, and number two, the party was a surprise, but Johan had let the cat out of the bag. Okay, so it was a surprise, dia secret supaya orang lain tak tahu. Tapi Johan had revealed the secret, dah bagi tahu orang lain. So he had let the cat out of the bag. Okay, so that's how we use idiom in a sentence. Okay, so we don't actually say the meaning of the idioms, we just put it in the sentence. So this is sometimes how you got it wrong. Okay, because you do not know the meaning of the idiom, so you chose the wrong idiom. This is in our pemahaman, usually question 10 or 11. Okay, let's move on. Now, the same one meaning can also have a lot of idioms. So a lot of idioms can have the same meaning. For example, these four idioms, over the moon, having a whale of a time, on cloud nine, and on top of the world, all means the same thing, which is happiness. Okay, so let's look at the sentence. Number one, Zarul was over the moon when he heard the good news. Means that he was very happy. Number two, I hope you are having a whale of a time in Paris. Okay, means that I hope you are happy. You are having a good time in Paris. And number three, when my favorite football club wins the championship, I was on cloud nine. Means apa? Saya sangat happy masa football club saya menang. Okay, number four, Kalila feels like she was on top of the world when she won the race. Okay, dia rasa sangat happy, dia rasa sangat seronok bila dia menang. Okay, so remember it can mean different thing and it can also mean the same thing. Okay, so this one we can use, all this one we can use to show how happy we are. Okay, alright, let's move on. Now, in your Google Classroom, there's a link for you to find more idioms and their meaning. Okay, this one I found the meaning in Bahasa Melayu. Okay, so it will be easier for you to understand the meaning and how we can put it in a sentence. Okay, so you can, after this class, you can go and look at their meanings and you can memorize it. Okay, what memorize is hafal. Okay, look at the meaning and look at the idioms, and then you look at the meaning. Okay, all right, and then this is your work for today. All right, so you have to open your PDF. There's a link for the PDF in your Google Classroom too. Open the PDF and then rewrite the sentences and fill in the blanks with the suitable idioms. Okay, the sentences are very small, so you cannot put the idioms there. So that's why I asked you to rewrite. Okay, tulis balik ayat tu dan fill in the blanks. Okay, isikan dengan suitable idiom yang ada dekat gambar tu. Alright, and then write it in book 24, 25 or A4 paper. Okay, so because we can't see the sentences very well, but this is sangat kecil, so you have to write it back in your book 25. Alright, and we will discuss this tomorrow during class. Okay, we'll have our class tomorrow, inshallah, at 2 p.m. Okay, so we'll discuss it tomorrow. I want to see if you can understand the meaning of the idiom. Okay, alright. Now, any question you can ask me in our Google Hangouts. Okay, I'll give you the link for the new Google Hangouts. Go there. We are not going to use the old link anymore. All right. So make sure you go to the new Google Hangouts, and then we can discuss it. I'll be there to answer any questions. Okay. All right. So see you soon. Tomorrow, inshallah. And I hope you do your work. Okay. Any questions, you can just ask me. All right, everyone. All right, that's all. Thank you, everyone.